How to change your chat color on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your chat color on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now scroll down and click on the first appearance and click on chat color. Now click on the first one, click on chat color, and all you need to do is choose one of those color, and you can also click on the plus icon and choose the color you want. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.